Imagine living in a time when your refrigerator was a large ice block and small elevators transported dinner between floors. Today, we explore 10 outdated features of old homes that have become things of the past. Icebox, before electric refrigerators. Ice boxes were a common household appliance used to keep food cold. These non-mechanical refrigerators worked by placing a large block of ice in a top compartment with the cold air circulating down to keep the food cool, made with insulated materials. Ice boxes allowed for longer storage of perishable foods, without the need for other preservation methods. These windows could be opened to let fresh air in and help with ventilation while still maintaining security, placed high up. They also let in more light without compromising privacy. Special tools called transom operators were used to open these windows, which not only served a functional purpose, but also added a unique architectural detail too. Buildings. Transom windows. Transom windows were small windows found above doors in older buildings. They were popular before air conditioning and heating systems became common, providing ventilation and natural light while maintaining privacy. Special tools called transom operators were used to open these windows, adding a unique architectural detail to buildings. Having a parlor in your home was a symbol of social status. In the 18th and 19th centuries, families would meet guests in the parlor and showcase their best furniture and art. It was often called the best room in the house due to its well-decorated nature. Parlor. In the 18th and 19th centuries, having a parlor in your home signified social status. It was a well-decorated room where families would entertain guests and display their best furniture and art. Servant quarters. Servants' quarters were dedicated areas in large houses where staff lived and worked. These quarters, situated in basements, attics, or separate wings, allowed servants to be close to their duties while remaining out of sight from the main areas of the house. They highlight the social divide between the rich and their staff. Throughout different time periods, wash stand. Before indoor plumbing, wash basins and pitchers were essential for personal hygiene. Wash stands made of wood held these items and were used for washing up in the absence of sinks and running water. As indoor plumbing became standard, the need for wash stands decreased, making them less common in modern homes. Coal chute. Coal chutes were crucial features in many Victorian homes, especially before electricity was widely used. These metal chutes, located in the foundation walls, allowed trucks to deliver coal to a designated room in the basement. Today, the walls of these rooms often retain traces of the coal, even though the use of coal chutes has diminished. Knob and tube wiring. Knob and tube wiring was an early method of electrical wiring in buildings. From the 1880s to the 1930s, it involved copper conductors running through wall or ceiling cavities, held in place by porcelain insulating tubes and knobs. Although less expensive at the time, knob and tube wiring lacked safety grounding conductors and was vulnerable to damage. Modern and safer electrical wiring systems have replaced it. Milk doors. Milk doors were clever features in old homes, used for daily milk deliveries, prior to refrigerators becoming commonplace. Families relied on fresh milk deliveries. Milk doors allowed delivery personnel to drop off milk directly without entering the main part of the house. Wall-mounted rotary phones. In the era before smartphones, wall-mounted rotary phones were a common feature in homes. However, the rise of cordless phones, mobile devices, and now smartphones quickly rendered them obsolete. Laundry chutes. Laundry chutes were a popular inclusion in older homes, allowing occupants to easily drop dirty laundry from upper floors directly into the laundry room. However, with the advent of laundry machines on every floor or even in individual units, Laundry chutes became less necessary, ironing boards in wall cabinets. Old homes often featured wall-mounted ironing boards hidden within cabinets. As standalone ironing boards gained popularity, the built-in variety became less common. Speaker tubes, before the advent of wireless audio systems. Homes sometimes had built-in speaker tubes. These tubes connected different rooms, enabling audio transmission throughout the house. However, with the introduction of advanced audio technologies, traditional speaker tubes became outdated. Wraparound porches, once a symbol of grandeur and relaxation. Wraparound porches have gradually fallen out of fashion. Modern homeowners prefer smaller outdoor living spaces, such as patios and decks, which offer easier maintenance and better privacy.